Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about the town's fashionable and fashion-forward nuns here at the Immaculate Conception Church. As always, if you need more information, look at the descriptive box below, and there's links to various websites, including a link out to Amazon.com with all 10 books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets, available for sale. During the Inquisition, or the colonial era, the town's cloistered nuns wore the Immaculate Conception order. Though little seen, their image spread throughout the world in their crowned nun portraitures. These were paintings taken before a novice professed their final vows to be a nun, or bride of Christ, featuring their autobiography, a baby Jesus, a painted shield, and loads of flowers. Normally, when joining the order, novices would be sure to bring with them a piece of wool, silk thread and lining for 2 habits, light fabric for handkerchiefs and coifs, a sewing box with everything needed for sewing, 4 aprons, and 1 rebozo, which is basically a wide scarf. Back then, all Nun Regalia featured the following: a coif, or that white headpiece made of cotton to cover the cheeks, ears, and neck; the veil, the dark piece of cloth that is worn over the coif to cover the head; a tunic is the main piece of the habit made from wool, and colors varied according to the religious order; a cincture is a belt made of woven wool for the waist; scapular is a long garment that hangs from both the front and the back, worn over a tunic and over or under the belt; apron, worn over the habit to protect it during work activities; a cape, worn above the other garments and was of different colors, again according to the order; and accessories like a rosary, cross, or ring. To this day, the Conceptionalist nuns here in San Miguel de Allende wear the white tunic with a white scapular and coif, black veil, blue cape and mantle, and a rosary. Back in the day, the nuns also wore the Nun Shield, small oval art usually featuring religious scenes such as the Holy Trinity, saints, or the Immaculate Conception, worn over the neck and chest. The shields were painted in oil on a copper background. Sometimes they were embroidered instead. Pictured there in the lower right-hand corner. Today, the Nun Shield is passé, replaced by a simple medallion that identifies the order. However, at the time, a nun shield provided a bit of controversy. The nun shield originated in response to reforms aimed at curtailing the luxuries of convent life by banning the wearing of devotional ornaments made of gold or precious stones. In accordance with these reforms, yet also in defiance of them, the nuns instead wore elaborate painted shields, which were often the work of the finest and most popular artists of the period. Today, a nun's shield are small paintings that can fetch between $3,000 and $17,000 at auctions, depending on the artist. Oh, to be as fashionable and fashion-forward as a nun. As always, feel free to click the subscribe now button below and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.